In this video, you will learn how to remove tokens in your Phantom wallet. This process will help you manage the tokens displayed in your wallet by hiding those you no longer wish to see. Begin by locating the three dots which are positioned in the top right corner of the Phantom wallet interface. This icon represents a managing that provides additional options for managing your wallet. Once you click on the three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Manage Tokens. This action will take you to the section where you can view and adjust the tokens linked to your wallet. After selecting Manage Tokens, you will be presented with a list of all the tokens currently associated with your Phantom wallet. Each token will be displayed, allowing you to control its visibility. To remove a token from your wallet view, simply turn off the toggle switch next to the token you wish to hide. This action will instantly hide the selected token from your wallet's main interface. Keep in mind that removing a token from the visible list does not delete it from your wallet or affect your ownership. It merely prevents the token from being displayed, allowing for a cleaner wallet interface. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.